Your home should be a place of comfort and quiet, a retreat from the outside world. But in growing Layton neighborhoods, everyday sounds like traffic, lawn equipment, nearby construction, and neighborhood activity can easily make their way indoors through outdated windows. If outside noise is interrupting your sleep, work, or relaxation time, upgrading to noise-reducing replacement windows can make a noticeable difference. Modern window technology is designed not only for energy efficiency but also for sound control, helping you create a more peaceful living environment. Why older windows let noise in many older homes in Layton still have single-pane windows or aging double-pane units with worn seals. Thin glass and small air gaps around the frame allow sound vibrations to pass through easily. Even tiny leaks around window frames can amplify outside noise. Over time, deteriorating seals and warped frames make the problem worse. Replacing outdated windows with modern, sound-reducing options addresses these issues at their source. How noise-reducing windows work. Noise-reducing replacement windows are built with advanced materials that help block or dampen sound waves before they enter your home. Key features include double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of glass create insulating spaces between panes. These layers disrupt sound vibrations, reducing the amount of noise that travels indoors. Laminated glass options. Laminated glass contains a special interlayer bonded between panes. This interlayer absorbs sound energy, making it especially effective at reducing traffic and street noise. Insulated frames. Vinyl and fiberglass frames help dampen vibrations better than older aluminum frames. Their insulating properties improve both sound control and energy efficiency. Tight compression seals. Modern replacement windows seal tightly when closed, minimizing air gaps that allow noise to leak inside. Benefits for Layton homeowners. Noise-reducing replacement windows offer several meaningful improvements to daily life in Layton. Better sleep. Bedrooms facing busy streets or active neighborhoods benefit greatly from sound reduction. Less outside noise means more restful sleep. Improved focus for home offices. For those working remotely, a quieter indoor space supports better concentration and productivity. More relaxing living spaces. Whether you're watching a movie or enjoying family time, reduced background noise creates a calmer atmosphere. Added privacy. Sound control works both ways. It can also reduce the amount of interior noise that travels outside. Energy efficiency is an added bonus. Many noise-reducing windows also include energy-efficient features such as low-E coatings and argon gas fills. These features help regulate indoor temperatures throughout Layton's cold winters and warm summers. By reducing drafts and heat transfer, replacement windows support consistent comfort while lowering heating and cooling demands. Ideal rooms for noise-reducing upgrades. While replacing all windows can maximize benefits, certain areas often see the greatest improvement. Street-facing bedrooms, living rooms near traffic, home offices, nurseries, or children's rooms. Strategic upgrades can transform the spaces where quiet matters most. Professional installation matters. Even the most advanced noise-reducing window won't perform properly without expert installation. Proper measurement, insulation, and sealing ensure the window fits securely and eliminates small air gaps that compromise sound control. Professional installers also ensure your new windows meet energy performance standards for Layton's climate. A quieter, more comfortable home. Layton continues to grow, and with that growth can come increased noise. Fortunately, modern replacement windows provide an effective solution. By combining multi-pane or laminated glass, insulated frames, and airtight installation, noise-reducing replacement windows help create a peaceful indoor retreat, without sacrificing natural light or style. If you're ready to enjoy a quieter home and greater everyday comfort, upgrading to noise-reducing replacement windows is a smart and lasting investment for your Layton property.